Hey, and good morning on this beautiful Sunday morning. It's about 9 a.m. right now, and I thought I would take you along for my Sunday reset routine. If you're new here, my name is Anna, and I'm a German mechanic engineer based in Sweden, and I make videos about my life as an engineer. So it's Sunday morning right now, and tomorrow morning, Monday morning, I'm gonna be traveling back to the factory again, like almost every Monday. So I thought I would show you what I do on a typical Sunday, more or less, and I feel like I have a good mix of things that I really enjoy doing in the moment and things that help me enjoy my week more. I should mention I really like my job, so I look forward to traveling to the factory tomorrow, but it's also draining quite a lot of energy from me to travel so much, so I need to make sure to do certain things so that I can keep my sanity and my energy and feel good throughout the whole week. Yes, so the first thing we're gonna start with is a really long and relaxed breakfast with a tea, because I don't have time for that during the week really, because I don't want to get up at 4 a.m. And my goals for today are to do a couple of things I enjoy doing. I signed up for an introductory coding class that I'm gonna be doing. I want to go to the gym. I'm gonna run some errands, put away laundry, run the dishwasher, tidy up the apartment, pack my bag for traveling tomorrow morning. Hopefully also film a video and get some editing done for that as well. So maybe that's too much for a Sunday, but my priorities are basically to exercise, do some relaxing things, and do the necessary things that keep my apartment together, and obviously packing my bag. Maybe I'm gonna have time to cut my hair as well later. We'll see. Okay, let's go. After breakfast, I work on a video script for How to Thrive as an Introverted Engineer, which I based on the book Quiet, so here I'm just taking notes on ideas from the book I can talk about in the video. And then I get ready to watch the coding introduction class I signed up for.
3, 2, 1, and welcome everyone to She-Codes Express. This is Matt speaking. I'll be your instructor for the next hour, so thank you so much for coming. And I really enjoy teaching you this class, and I hope that you can remember a couple of things. First, coding is not boring and it's not rocket science.
I change into my gym clothes during the class so that I can't talk myself out of going to the gym later. The coding class was interesting but a bit basic. It was basically a sales pitch, but it worked on me since I ended up signing up for a coding course with them. I will soon do a review of the course, so stay tuned for that. After the class, I head out to the gym and take the trash with me for that efficiency, baby. I'm very lucky that I have a gym in walking distance and with a stunning view on the way. After the gym, I put all of my things away like a grown-up. I just got home from the gym and I'm super tired. This was the first time working out in the gym in like 2-3 weeks because I was sick for a bit, and that's always dangerous because I always overtrain, and I think I did today. I was so slow walking home. And now I'm gonna have lunch because I'm super hungry. I cannot wait until I showered. So let's have some food. I have leftovers for lunch for those savings, baby. Usually I challenge myself to get as much done as possible while the microwave is running, but today I'm not up for that, which shows you just how tired I am from the gym. Now before I eat, let me just rant about the microwave real quick because someone has to say this. So here is the beautiful microwave that we have, and if you want to like run something, first you have to wait for this freaking door to open. Once you've done that, you cannot just press a button to start it. You first have to select your intensity, and then you have to use the slider to decide on the time, and then you press start. So you have to press 3 buttons plus using a slider for doing anything. I just want to have a 30-second button and press it as many times as I need to. Why is that so difficult, huh? Don't take this too seriously. After showering, I cut my hair because I'm of course too cheap to go to the hairdresser. Then I continue working on the video script because I really need to get that filmed today, since I'm only home on the weekends and like a true master procrastinator, I push it to the last minute every single time. I have an improvised dinner because I forgot to plan for my dinner, and I watched some Netflix with it. Like every evening, I spend half an hour calculating the optimal end time for the dishwasher. And I finally filmed the video around 10 p.m. Wow. Today I want to talk about... that's it. To wrap up the day, I show my plants some love in the hope that they survive another week. As always, I didn't do everything I planned to do, but that's okay. I tell myself, as always. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.